Hi, Tim here with Chesco Security again. Today I'm going to show you how to remount the 5816 transmitter and the magnet. This is a transmitter, the wireless transmitter, and this is the magnet that activates the wireless transmitter. You'll notice on the transmitter there's always an arrow. The arrow indicates two things. One is at the top. You'll see that's how to release the transmitter to replace the battery. Open it up and you'll see the 3-volt lithium battery right there. To put the cover back on, you'll see that it hinges at the bottom and simply snaps in place. But the arrow also tells you the direction to slide the transmitter off of its base. If you gently pull up on opposite of the arrow and slide the transmitter up, you'll see that the base is typically screwed onto the door frame, or it could be on the door. It could be mounted this way. It could be mounted like that. It all depends on how the installer previously set it up. Just remember that the base is typically screwed in. Sometimes it is double stick taped on, but Chesco, we like to screw them in when we can because it gives you a more secure mount. So if you ever need to move this because you're painting or you changed the door out, once you remove the transmitter from the base, you'll see there's just 2 screws. Unscrew it, and then you can remount it wherever you need to. Just remember, whenever you remount it, that this indicator says magnet on it. That always faces the magnet it activates. If you were to turn this upside down and the magnet's on the opposite side, it wouldn't work. It always has to be oriented with the magnet. To reattach the transmitter, simply orient it the way it was. In this case, the arrow up, but you'll notice the keys will fit on the base, and just slide it down, and it typically clicks in place, and that way it doesn't come off. Again, to remove it, simply pry up opposite the arrow and slide it right up, and it will come off. Okay. If you need to remove the magnets are always typically screwed in as well. If you pop it off the base, you'll see the screws. This is just a magnet, is all that is, and it activates that. So it has to be within a few inches, oriented where that indicator line is, and there's also 2 lines on the transmitter. So you can orient it any way you want. Again, sometimes it'll be mounted like that on a door and the magnet up top. It could be mounted like that. It could be basically any way depending on your door and the way the installer set it up. Hopefully that helps. Any questions, you can always call us here at Chesco, 1-800-CHESCO-1. Thank you.